Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called apps and notifications and tap on it. And here find the option called app info. Something bugged out, as you can see. Let me go back to settings. And now tap on app and notifications. Okay, now it's working. In the app and notifications, you will see app info, tap on it, and here you have the list of apps you can uninstall from your watch. So find the app you like to uninstall, tap on it, tap on the uninstall button, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait. After a second or two, the app will be gone from the list, and it means that the app was uninstalled from your watch. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.